Let me see. Can I see it to help you? Careful and good. Can I try? Can I try? Honey. Honey, you're too little to get packages. You can't open anything. Brooklyn! She's throwing it in the trash. Come on, sweetie. Good job, baby. Good job, honey. Honey, I bet you can get it. Here. Whoa, Brooklyn. What is it? Oh, that says for Gabby. What's that?
Ice.
It's cotton candy. You want to open the other present? Go ahead. I'll help you open that when we're all done with lunch. Okay? Gabby, honey, you are... Look, you can open it, honey. I can't. What is that? What is it? Cake? Oh no, those are chocolate pretzels. What's a purse? Oh, that's cute. Can you show it to mommy? What's in there?
No.
What? No, are you serious? Can you show me? Oh, whoa. What's this, honey? Can you show that to mommy? I don't think we were supposed to open this till Easter. That's okay. It's almost Easter. Oh. Brooklyn, can you say... Whoa. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Say thank you. Brooklyn, say thank you.
Bye.
Say thank you for my present. Brooklyn, say thank you. Nothing? Too busy. This is cute. She doesn't know what it is yet, but we'll teach her. She's really into her purse. With candy. What's that?